Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you how can you install best internet browser on Sony Google TV. To install and use a web browser on your Sony Google TV, you'll need to navigate to Google Play Store. So first of all, open your Sony Google TV with the help of your remote and press the home on the menu button to access the menu or main menu section. After which you want to actually go ahead and select the app section, and when you are taken to the app section, what next you want to do is open or locate Google Play Store. You want to use the search bar within the Play Store to look for a web browser app that is suitable for Google TV Pro. Now TV Pro is popular choice, but the option may be available as well. And once you actually do it, so then you select the desired web browser from the search result and choose install options. Then you want to open the app, and then once the app is downloaded and installed, you could open it up from Google Play Store or from your TV's app drawer. You could also use remote control to navigate the interface with the web browser interface. You could also use a search bar to enter the URL or search items as well. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.